The next thing that I want to add to the sales page is this text right here that's right underneath the headline. And this text here is where I highlight the problems that my customers may be having. So let me just quickly read it here. It says, trying to end your struggle with finding the right online business opportunity, blah, blah, blah. And it says here, stress may have already gotten the best of you. Maybe you have spent hours searching the internet for opportunities. And it ends with, and they all left you with frustrating results. So this section right here, I'm going to put onto the sales page. So this is what I just completed. I've put this headline here, and underneath that, on this template, there's a button here where it says, yes, I want instant access now. So there's a buy button here, and this actually looks good. And I think I'm going to, instead of just deleting it, removing it, I'm going to keep it there for now, and I'm just going to create a new section here. So I'm just going to click here, add new section. And now I'm going to add a new row and make it one column. Okay, add new element, and instead of selecting headline, I could go with paragraph, or let's see, text area, and I think I'll go with paragraph. Now I'm going to go back to my Word document. Okay, copy the first couple of sentences. Okay, and just increase the font size. I'll make it 22. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to paste on here are the bullet points. So I'm going to click on add new element, and instead of selecting paragraph, I'm going to go to bullet list. Okay, let me see if I could just copy and paste all the bullet points onto here. No, you can't. Okay, so I'm just going to do it individually. Let me just do it again here. Okay, and I believe you should be able to change the icons here. So instead of just a check mark, if you want, you could change it to something else. So let me just see if I can do that here. List type, icon list. I can make it an ordered list, so 1, 2, 3. But if I go to icon list, maybe I could go to themes, and I could change the look. So if I select this, let's see what happens. There you go. So this one looks a lot better. I'll go with this. And if I go to advanced, let's see what my options are here. I guess you could pick these icons, but I'm just going to skip this for now. I don't want to take too long showing you how to put some bullet points on the sales copy here. And let me just increase the size of the font. And the last thing to add is the last sentence of this section. So I'm going to add new element, paragraph, and just paste the sentence onto here and just format it. And there you go. So when I'm done that, just click on save. Now that we've chosen our template for the thank you page, let's go ahead and edit the page. Okay, let's start from the top here. You could insert a logo here if you have one. So you could just click here and you could just upload your image here. But for now, I'm going to delete this since we don't have a logo. So it says here, wait, your purchase is not complete. Please follow the steps below to complete your purchase. So usually what I would do, step 1, I would say something like, check your email. And then in the description here, let's just delete this here. I'll just tell them to check their inbox. Here, let me just type it down here. Please check your inbox folder and your spam folder. Click on the confirm button to ensure that you receive future updates. So I would say something like this. I don't have the text right now that I usually put, but it would be somewhere along the lines of this, where you ask the customer to check their email and to confirm their subscription and to ensure that they have the correct email address on our database so that they could receive future updates for this product. Okay, and then step number 2, it could be anything here. You could, for this demo, let's just say download your product. Okay, and then you could type down whatever you want here. You could also put a link right here to the download file. Okay, you could also put it here on the button, and you could also edit this button. It says button text here, so instead of saying click here to register, you could say click here to download or to activate, whatever you want to say. And then edit the action. So what's the action you want when they click on the button? And again, you could put a link to the file wherever it is. And for now, let's just click save. And now step 3, if you don't have anything to say, you could just delete this. So let's just delete step 3. And step 4 says check your email. I've already gone through that. So we're just going to delete this as well. Sometimes I have as many as 5 or more steps on here. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you the 2 steps that you could put on your thank you page. So let's delete this. And there you go. Now my funnel is complete. I hope you've enjoyed watching the videos and learning from them. And if you watched all these videos, you can see how easy it is to use ClickFunnels. There's not much of a learning curve. So I wish you the best of luck and have fun creating your funnels.